decided to upgrade my knife jig and use this 2-inch aluminium angle we had for another job, so ignore these 2 holes there. I used this metal channel. It's, if you can see, it's got a slight bevel or slight round, so I thought it might be better to hold a knife because it'd have 2 points to hold it rather than a flat, but I don't think it makes a lot of difference if you used it. If you obviously haven't got this, you just use 2 bits of flat. So cut them out of this and then taped them together. Taped them together. So to me my drill vise, and then drilled them 3 holes at 5mm, and then on this side I drilled them out to 8mm, so that the bolts would pass through this side. So, and then I tapped all the way through that one, tapped all the way through while they were still together, so they're exactly right, and I marked the bottom with a dot on both sides. So I've got dot, they come together like so. Okay, so that screws in there like that. That one screws in there like that. Okay, so then the knife can go where you want to start your drops. For argument's sake, that's where you're going to start your drops, and tighten it up. Okay, cut a hole so that would fit in it, and then drilled an 8mm M8 hole there, pass this bolt through. This will give you the angle. Once you've got your angle set, tighten that screw up, put that in there, the other way around obviously, sorry. Okay, I had two these knobs, I don't know where they're from, but cut it down to that, so it'd go in there without touching the knife. So screw that on there. Okay, now here's your angle jig. Obviously set it up to wherever you want it. Then tighten that up. Okay. And so then you could do your grinds. Okay. Then when that side's finished, undo that, turn that over, and put that side. It's exactly the same distance, same drop, same angle. So you should have a uniform grind on both sides of the knife. Hope you found this video useful. I'm going to do a short video of making this complete knife, so then you'll be able to see me actually accomplishing the grind. I'm going to do a Scandi grind on this knife, and obviously you'll see this jig in action. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Hope to see you on the next one.